Hi, today we are demonstrating how to containerize and React application using Docker. At first we have to create an Dockerfile. You can see we are using Nano text editor, you can use any of them. Now we have to select image, we are using Node 16. Copy all the files in ./app. Define the work directory. Use run command to install npm i. Use run command again npm run build. Expose the port, we are exposing port 3000. You can expose 80 or 443. On CMD use this format to run application. npm start. Save the file and exit the text editor. Now we are going to package the application into container and run it. Open your terminal and type docker build-t your application /image name React app. Note in the last dot is representing all the files are available in current directory. Wait for some time after completing it. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to complete. Run the container using docker run-dtp, specify the port number and name of the application, hit enter. Now go to your web browser and type localhost :3000 and hit enter. Now you can see our application in running. To stop the container use docker stop and container ID. And now the container is stopped. Thanks for watching.